after the last clip, here I am ready and everything, out and about for Sarojini Nagar. So yeah, we'll go shopping there, and we reached Delhi today morning at 8 o'clock. And yeah, the hotel was not that great where we are staying, because it was a last minute plan, and now we're going to Sarojini for some shopping, and I'll take you through it.
So like that we reached Sarojini Nagar, and as soon as we reached Sarojini, I told everyone to rush to this graffiti lane. Oh my god, this place is heaven. I did my research and I knew that this is where I would get all these oversized overcoats. I am so obsessed with these right now, and I got my hands on 2 of those overcoats, and those were only for ₹300. Moving on, I went and got my hands on night suits, and there were these pretty tops. All these were from Vero Moda, you guys, and they were so cute. It was for fixed price 200. OMG, such cute cropped shirts. I fell in love with this, and I got my hands on 3 of them. And yeah, this is how the winter collection in Sarojini was really impressive. I was so amazed with everything. Also, I got to this store where there were these amazing summer dresses. I got one, but yeah, these were summer dresses. And yeah, look at this place, you guys. This is right before you get into the graffiti lane. These sequins were so amazing, and like that we ended our Sarojini. I did quite a lot of shopping, and वैसे ही शाम हो गया, and after that we went to eat at this famous restaurant called Albake to eat shawarma there. The shawarma was, you guys, heavenly. It melted into my mouth. Look, it was so amazing. I loved this place.
So guys, I am here at this Albake, Albake restaurant in Lajpat Nagar, and it's famous for shawarma and all kebabs and everything, and it's amazing place, you guys. The food is amazing. If you are anywhere near here, or if you're traveling to Delhi, do try here. Please do try and eat here. It's amazing. The food is amazing.
After eating from Albake, we went to Lajpat Nagar, but I did not buy anything from this. Also, I did not vlog anything. Next up, we went to Jama Masjid that night itself, because we had only one day to us. So we went to this Jama Masjid to eat from a famous, non-veg restaurant called Aslam Chicken. We had this butter chicken tikka, and then we had mutton seekh kebabs with rumali roti. And this place was heavenly, and it was so crowded, you guys. I was so scared as well. So like that, this is the next morning, and we are heading towards the station. We went home, we came back home via train. So just like that, our trip, one day Delhi trip, also ended, and the whole journey from Calcutta to Jaipur to Delhi, everything ended, and we are coming back to Calcutta. It was a little saddening, but I was so happy, and so I was feeling so content that I came here, and I really enjoyed my vacation. So here we are at the New Delhi station, and this is the train. The compartment was really empty. So yeah, it was really fun coming back home on an empty train.
So guys, so here I am in the train. We're still moving. So 9 o'clock at night, and I have taken tea right now, because khana to der se dega, and they are also saying that the pantry people are also saying that the food is not that great. So I don't know what we are gonna do. The first stop here is Kanpur, which will reach at 10, maybe 10 to 10:30, because it's half an hour late. It's running half an hour late. Yeah, so I am all set to sleep. I had a kappa noodles. They were selling that, so I had that. That's the second AC, and this is the Shialda Rajdhani, and they have named this train some New Delhi Shialda COVID special. So whatever, it's Shialda Rajdhani basically. And yeah, people are quiet because there are not a lot of people. It's very calm and everything, for me, according to me, this is the best time to travel in train, not in flight, because flight was really congested. What else? I wanted to talk about one more thing, that is this thing. You can buy it from the station. It's the disposable bed roll kit. It's really good. They're providing one pillow, one blanket reusable, one bed sheet, no, two bed sheets for covering and for spreading. So I'll show you guys how it looks, and it's for 325 rupees, and it's really good for the COVID situation. This is the measure they are taking from their side. And also they are continuously mopping the floors, they're sweeping and mopping the floors continuously, and also spraying disinfectants and spraying room freshener for nice smell around in here. Now I'll show you what all they are providing and how it is. So yeah, so this is the disposable pillow they are providing. Also they are providing this sheet for spreading over here. That for spreading or covering, whichever. That is the smaller one, this is the larger one. And they're also providing this blanket. It's good quality, it's not very thick, it's not very thin, it's not very thin. And also they are providing this blanket. Also there's a mask, a disposable mask, and also a sanitizer in there, and it's 325 rupees. And there's this mask, this disposable mask, and this is sanitizer from Savlon, a small sachet of the sanitizer. I think it's pretty good for 325 rupees. Also if you get it from the station, do buy it, because it's very very safe. You can totally be fine with it. I'm also carrying my ghar ka chaddar, because I came prepared. I also had my own blanket and pillows and everything, but still I am very liking it. I bought it just to experience how the quality is, so that I could share it with you guys, because not many people are traveling via train in this lockdown. And I really wanted to share this experience with you, because it's really important to get all these informations on YouTube, and it's really useful. So yeah, that's about it. I'm very fond of this thing, because I'm so grateful that they are providing this, and I'm so thankful to the railway people for this. Yeah, that's about it. I'll speak to you later, guys. Yeah, bye.
So guys, I had this biryani, veg biryani with anda curry, and yeah, I remember saying that it was alright, but it was the most awful biryani I ever had. Yeah, so whatever. If you cannot get anything, you can get this, but it was dreadful. I would never ever have it again in my life. So yeah, that's me eating that. I did not complete eating that. I ate only 5 to 6 spoons, to be honest.
It was for 80 rupees only, and for 80 rupees it was alright. The chawal is little mota, but it's alright. The egg curry is spicy. It was not great, but okay, you can have it for one night. So yeah.
So all these are my luggage, you guys, and just like that we reached Calcutta, we reached home, and our trip came to an end. Yeah, it was one of the most wonderful trips I have ever had. It was the experience of my life. I so much enjoyed this trip. I hope you guys enjoyed this series with me, and thank you so much for hanging in there with me. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe if you like this video, and thank you so much for being there.